Hi there, welcome back. My name is CM Manjunath. This is a video series on how to build your own WordPress website for a real business. In this video, you're going to learn all about logos and Fav Icons. So let's dive in. Logos represent your brand. So people will be able to recognize your business, your brand with logos. And it's very important for you to get your logo right. Fav Icons, on the other hand, is what you see up here on the top left. Now, when you go to a website like gmail.com or facebook.com, you'll notice that regardless of where the user is at, they'll be able to recognize on which tab is that website open. So it easily gets them to navigate to a tab according to their needs. So that's very important as well. So those are the couple of things that you're going to do in this video. In order to do this, you don't need to be very design savvy. If you are comfortable with designing logos, then you might consider software like Adobe Photoshop, which would be wonderful. For our purposes, I'm not design savvy, so I'm going to use a really simple free tool called logomaker.com. It's LOGOMAKR without an E right there, logomaker.com. Click on Start My Design. And you could start a design from scratch. So I'm going to click on create a new design like so. You can do a search here for anything that you like. For example, if it's yoga or something related to that, you might want to consider using this. If it's about soccer, football, Apple, you name it, there's a bunch of abstract shapes, natures, and different categories that you could use it. But we're going to go back to the canvas like so. And what I'm going to do is use text. Very simple. I'm going to use text, type MI. Whatever your brand name is, you might want to type. As you hover over, you will see that the text box will be highlighted with these controls. Click, you can drag it wherever you like. And you have these arrows. If you want to reduce the size or increase it in one specific direction, you might want to use that arrow right there. If you want to increase it up, do so like that. What I like to do instead is use these like little triangles on the four corners. As you hover over, it'll turn green, representing that you control it now. So you can reduce it. So what happens is the box size or the text within that box proportionally increases in size or reduces in size. Okay, so it grows or shrinks proportionately. So that you'd want to consider. Also, another thing about text is that once you select it, up here you have the different the font families. Click here, turn it into a 3D. You want to choose decorative, and there are subtypes you can choose from. So for our purposes, I'm going to use designer picks, and within this subtype, I'm going to choose RO. RO is how it looks like. So that's how you choose a font family that might represent your brand well. And once you select the text box, on the right side, you also have the color controls. So there's this dial right here. You see that little circle. Just click, drag it all the way to wherever you want it to be. And you'll notice that that font color changes accordingly, which is wonderful. All right. Now, my client already gave me some images, so I could just drag and drop my PNG images like this, and you know what, I could just control the size like so, something like that. And then of course I can add some more text. Crossfit, right click, just duplicate it, drag it like so, and there we have it. Very simple indeed. Just double click on it, select it, and then you have Crossfit. Awesome. The color like so with the dial, or if you know the hex code of your color, you could directly type that in, like in my case I'm going to do so. It's the same blue that is for the sellout of the body right here. Okay, now once you do that, it's just a matter of saving it. You see the save icon on the top right corner. Click that. You have two options. You can pay some money and get a high resolution license file, or If you're starting off just like I am and you don't want to invest a lot of money, you can click the download low resolution PNG file, and that works for me. Once you click there, you're going to click this. You'll have to click this I accept the terms and then click download the image. I've already downloaded it. I'm not going to do it, but you get the point. All right, so with that logo out of the way, you see I talked about the Fav icon. Helps people navigate to your website when they have multiple tabs open. That's what a Fav icon can help you do. So what I'm going to do is, for the Fav icon, I'm just going to remove the text like so. I'm going to leave with the silhouette of this bodybuilder, and that's all I'll need. Click save again, and then you can click on download low resolution PNG image, checkbox, download. You know the drill. You can save it. I've already done that as well. So now once you have your logo and Fav icons, very simple, you know how to do that. You can go to your website's front end, click on customize. You might want to click here. Or alternatively, if you're on the dashboard, you can go to appearance. Under appearance, go to customize. It's going to take you to the same screen, the customize screen, like so. You see, it's the same thing. Okay. All right. So where do we change the logo? You see right now it says N. As you hover over, you will see the pencil icon to edit it. Let's click there. And on the left side, you're going to get the select logo image. I'm going to select this, and I've already uploaded this logo. So I'm going to select that, choose image, and boom, there it is. It looks tiny though. So what you could do is, on the left side, you might want to increase the width. That's not bad, is it? Very cool. Okay. Also, you'd want to change the logo in the site and logo section. That's a transparent logo, by the way, transparent header logo. You can also go into this. You'll notice a logo, change logo, choose the logo that you have like that and select it. You can skip cropping and boom, that's taken care of too. All right, let's click publish. There it is. So the next thing obviously is the fav or the favorite icon or the Fav icon. You could just go here again to the site title and logo. Just click there, and underneath the site logo that we added, you'll notice there is a site icon. I don't know why they call it the site icon, but that's a Fav icon right there. Just click there. You can upload your site icon or the Fav icon like so. That's the one I'm going to use. Select. I'm going to skip cropping, and boom, keep an eye on this one. You see that silhouette of the bodybuilder. That's a Fav icon. All right, we are all set then, are we? I'm not sure about the size. Maybe I should increase the size again. There we go. All right, I'll click publish. Now if I go to microssfit.com, you'll notice that the logo is changed. So is the Fav icon. Awesome. There we go. You see that? That's a logo and that's a Fav icon. All right, I hope this was useful. You learned how to create your logo for free and upload it to your WordPress website. That is all about branding, extremely important from marketing perspective. All you need to do is just go to customize and upload your logo. And the tool that we use, the free tool that we use to build our logo, is called Logo Maker without the letter E, logomaker.com. All right, I hope this was useful. My name is CM Manjunath. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use Elementor Page Builder, which is going to be awesome. So don't miss it. By the way, if you want to be notified of the next tutorial videos, it's best if you subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you'll be able to get them, and then you can start building your cool website. And I'd love to know which theme you used, what is your logo. Whatever your website's URL is, please share it in the comments section. I want to take a look. If you want, I can give you some feedback just taking a look at your website's logo and Fav icon as well. Thank you very much for your time. My name is CM Manjunath. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.